I'm back at the Novotel Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport, and this time I'm showing you the executive suite. Specifically, this is room 2461. But I want to show you something else first. Come have a look. I'm so chuffed because it's the first time ever that the hotel does this for me. They actually wrote my YouTube channel's name on the bed. Thank you very much, Novotel. This is so sweet. I absolutely love it. So let's start the room tour over here. If you would like to see a review of the whole hotel, click on the link over here as well as in the description below, because I reviewed the entire hotel with the restaurants too, as well as the executive king room. And I have another video which you can also check over here where I reviewed a junior suite. Another surprise, this beautiful welcome amenity with lovely savories and sweet things. Right at the entrance to our suite, there is a guest bathroom with a toilet and a vanity. Probably one of the largest living rooms I've ever had in a hotel suite. Great big sofa in the corner, coffee table, television, and a really comfortable armchair over here. You can watch TV in this room while your partner watches TV in the bedroom. Speaking of which, let's look at the bedroom. These beds are obviously very big, and I've spent 3 nights sleeping in these beds so far already on previous visits. They are so comfortable. These pillows are amazing. Comfortable armchair, fresh flowers. I love having a really decent desk where I can do some work. This, by the way, is one of 4 telephones in this suite. The view out here is maybe not the best view, but I can see some of the pool, so that's quite cool. The blockout curtains work like a charm. They are so good. And then we also have a really big TV screen over here. So that's going to be great for watching movies in the evenings. In the living room we have a Eval coffee machine, tea. Inside here is the bar fridge, which is fully stocked with soft drinks, beers, wine, and there's even more booze in here. From the bedroom we have the walk-in wardrobe. Inside here we have bathrobes, slippers, in-room safe, and this is the main bathroom. The bathroom is very spacious too. Toilet over there, shower, vanity, and there's a bathtub.